I recently discovered that the prop shaft was skewed to starboard, and upon closer inspection also noticed the engine was skewed to port. So I had to remove the prop, and with the puller and makeshift hardware just remove the propeller and then the coupler, and then finally remove the prop shaft to see how far the strut was bent, and you can see that it's really bent. So this clip is to show how I went about straightening up the strut after I pulled out the prop shaft, which interestingly goes through the galley of the boat. Then I made a series of levers and used a jack, a car jack, to pull on the lower part of the strut while the fulcrum was right against the base of the strut, and you'll see that.
So I need to straighten up my strut. And the only way I can think of it is to pull this sucker. So here we go. I've tried already different things, but I think this one has been see how it's doing. It's kind of overcorrecting a little bit. Okay. I must say, it's a heck of a lot better than it was before. Right there. So weak. So I have a string going all the way in, going kind of over the center. Yeah, correct right there. And so that's pretty dang good, man. Tell ya.